Looking to drink cleaner, better tasting water instantly without waiting? Today we're reviewing the Brita Stream Pitcher Water Filter newest model to help you decide if it's the right upgrade for your home or office hydration needs. If you appreciate clear, honest reviews that save you time and money, hit that like button and subscribe for weekly practical home product breakdowns. What is the Brita Stream Pitcher Water Filter? The Brita Stream Pitcher Filter is designed for faster filtration directly as you pour, so you don't need to wait for the water to drip through the reservoir. It's compatible with Brita's Stream Pitchers and dispensers, offering advanced filtration technology that reduces chlorine taste, odor, and impurities while maintaining a strong flow rate. Pros of the Brita Stream Pitcher Water Filter: fast filtration while pouring. You get filtered water instantly as you pour, eliminating the waiting game. Improves taste. Effectively reduces chlorine taste and odor, making water taste clean and crisp. Long-lasting filter. Each filter can replace up to 300 standard 16.9-ounce water bottles, helping you save money and reduce plastic waste. Easy to replace. Snap-in design allows for quick, mess-free filter changes. Filter indicator. Many Brita Stream pitchers include a filter change reminder, ensuring consistent water quality without guesswork. Environmentally friendly. Brita offers a recycling program for used filters, making your hydration routine more sustainable. Cons of the Brita Stream Pitcher Water Filter: does not filter lead. Unlike Brita's long-last filters, the Stream filter does not remove lead, so if your primary concern is heavy metal reduction, consider other models. Requires compatible pitchers. Only works with Brita Stream pitchers and dispensers, not standard Brita models. Slightly bulkier pitchers. Stream pitchers can be larger due to their design, which may take up more fridge space. Who should buy the Brita Stream Pitcher Water Filter? If you want cleaner, better tasting water on demand without waiting, the Brita Stream Filter is ideal for busy households, offices, or college students who need hydration on the go. It's also perfect for those looking to cut down on plastic waste while maintaining a consistent water supply for drinking, coffee, tea, or cooking. Question for you: what feature matters most to you in a water filter? Speed, taste, or environmental impact? Comment below to share. Affiliate link for easy purchase. Brita Stream Pitcher Water Filter on Amazon. Purchasing through this link supports the channel at no extra cost to you, helping us continue delivering clear, honest product reviews for your home. If you found this review helpful, like this video, subscribe, and ring the bell for weekly practical home product reviews and water filter comparisons to help you buy confidently. Thanks for watching and stay hydrated.